Let me iterate this code with an example for a better understanding. A is a list and variable n contains the number of positions that each and every element should be shifted to the left. So A example taken, A is 10, 20, 30, 40, 12 and 11. For the first element in positive indexing, forward indexing, the index is 0. For the next element, the index is 1 and so on. N. I am going to shift each and every element by 2 positions to the left. So N example taken 2. Now length of A. How many elements are there in this list? 6. So your size of the list variable S contains 6. Now for J in range 1 comma n plus 1, n is 2, so 2 plus 1 3, range 1 comma 3, range function returns all the integers starting with a 1 ending with a 3 minus 1 2, so here you get 1 and a 2. J takes the first integer in the range, that is 1, so your variable J contains 1. Now this piece of code will shift all the elements by 1 position to the left. Okay, so A of 0, now it is 10. So your variable T contains 10. For I in range 0 comma S minus 1, what is S? 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. Range 0 comma 5. Range function returns all the integers starting with a 0 ending with a 5 minus 1 4. So you get 0 1 2 3 4. I takes the first integer in the range, that is 0. So your variable I contains 0. Now assignment operator, right hand side should be assigned to left hand side. I is 0. So A of 1 should be assigned to A of 0, which means this 20 is assigned here. Okay, so 20 comes here. Now this is not part of for loop. Okay, after this, because of for statement repeats, I takes the next integer in the range, that is 1. So now your variable I contains 1. Again, A of 1 plus 1, A of 2 is assigned to A of 1. So 30 is assigned here. So here 30 comes. Again, after this for loop, I takes the next integer in the range, which is nothing but 2. So your variable I contains 2. A of 2 plus 1, A of 3 is assigned to A of 2, which means this 40 is assigned here. Okay. Now I takes the next integer in the range, that is 3. So your I contains 3. A of 3 plus 1, A of 4 is assigned to A of 3. So this 12 is assigned here. Again, I takes the last integer in the range, that is 4. Now A of 4 plus 1, A of 5 is assigned to A of 4. So this one is assigned here. 11 comes here. Now no more integers are there in the range. For loop finishes execution. Your control comes here. Finally, at the end, variable T contains 10. You can see. So 10 is assigned to A of S minus 1. What is S? 6. So what is A of 6 minus 1? A of 5. So 10 is assigned to A of 5. So this one contains 10. So you can see that all the elements are shifted by 1 position to the left. Now this for loop did not finish execution. J takes the next integer in the range 2. So now your variable J contains 2. So now this piece of code will shift the elements by 1 more position to the left. So altogether 2 positions. Okay. Now A of 0. What is A of 0? 20. So your variable T contains 20. For I in range, so I takes the first integer in the range, that is 0. So your variable I contains 0. Now A of 0 plus 1, A of 1 is assigned to A of 0. So this one is assigned here. Now I takes the next integer in the range, that is 1. So your variable I contains 1. Now a of 1 plus 1, a of 2 is assigned to a of 1. So this one is assigned here. Okay. Now I takes the next integer in the range, that is 2. A of 2 plus 1, a of 3 is assigned to a of 2. This is assigned to a of 2. I takes the next integer in the range 3. A of 3 plus 1, a of 4 is assigned to a of 3. So this one is assigned here. Finally, I takes the last integer in the range 4. So your variable I becomes 4. Now I is 4. So a of 4 plus 1, a of 5 should be assigned to a of 4. So this a of 5 should be assigned to a of 4. Now all the integers are taken. This for loop finishes execution. You exit from for loop. Finally t is assigned to a of s minus 1. Your s is 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. So t, your variable t contains 20. So 20 is assigned to a of 5. So here 20 comes. So you can see it is repeated for the second time. Now all the elements are shifted by 2 positions to the left. See, 2 positions to the left. Okay. Now this for loop finishes execution because no more integers are there to be taken. Okay. And the final answer is there in list A. You can see all the elements are shifted by 2 positions to the left. So suppose if n is 5, all the elements will be shifted by 5 positions to the left. Okay, so this is how you need to solve this one. Now based on this, you write a function which will shift all the elements by n positions to the right. Okay, so make an attempt to do that one yourself and do that in the computer. Check whether you are getting the answer correctly. So all the elements must be shifted by n positions to the right.